Nestled within the prestigious Firethorn, West 9 subdivision, 3830 Connemara Circle, Lincoln, Nebraska, 68520, is a testament to luxury and modern living. This exquisite four-bedroom, four-bathroom residence spans 5,184 square feet and is currently listed at $1,750,000. Main level elegance. Upon entering, you're greeted by an impressive foyer bathed in natural light, leading to a stunning living room featuring a linear fireplace and floor-to-ceiling windows. The Gourmet Kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with premium appliances, ample cabinetry, and a spacious pantry. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area seamlessly flows onto a heated, covered deck, perfect for year-round entertaining. The main floor also houses a versatile office space, which can serve as a fifth bedroom if desired. The primary suite is a sanctuary of comfort, boasting large windows, a private deck entrance, a luxurious bathroom with a walk-in shower, soaking tub, dual vanities, and an expansive walk-in closet with seating and a vanity. Lower level retreat. Descending the open staircase, the lower level offers an entertainment haven. Highlights include a top-of-the-line media room, a well-appointed bar with an ice maker, refrigerator and dishwasher, and a family room adorned with floor-to-ceiling windows and a fireplace. Additionally, a dedicated wine room caters to connoisseurs. Additional features. Garage. Four-stall attached garage providing ample space for vehicles and storage. Construction. Built in 2016 with high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail. Lot. Situated on over half an acre, offering both privacy and scenic views. Located within the esteemed Lincoln Public Schools district, this home combines luxury with convenience, making it a perfect choice for discerning buyers seeking a blend of elegance and functionality.